Every successful construction project begins with one thing, a clear plan. Welcome to ONYRverse, where ideas become organized, visualized, and transformed into buildable designs. Before we begin designing your project, we ask a few important questions to understand the full picture. Why this form matters. This design intake form is the foundation of your project. The information you provide helps our team understand your property, your goals, and the real conditions surrounding the project. When we start with accurate information, we can design smarter, faster, and with fewer surprises during construction. Property information. We begin with the basics, your contact information, the property address, and the county where the project is located. Why does this matter? Because every county has different building codes, zoning requirements, and windstorm regulations that affect how the project must be designed. Property type. Next, we ask about the property type. Is it a single family home, a rental property, a commercial building, or a mixed use space? Understanding the type of building helps us determine the appropriate design standards and construction requirements. Project goals. Then we ask an important question. Why are you taking on this project? Some clients are increasing property value, others are creating rental income, expanding a business, or improving operational efficiency. Knowing the goal helps us to design a project that supports your financial outcome. Construction scope. Next, we identify the type of construction. Is a project new construction, an addition, a renovation, or change of use? We also review building size, number of stories, and existing square footage. These details help shape the structural layout and engineering approach. Structural details. We also ask about foundation types, wall construction, and other structural characteristics of the building. Information like slab foundations or pier and beam systems helps us understand how the structure interacts with the ground. This ensures the design is compatible with the existing building conditions. Roof and wind requirements. Because our region experiences strong wind and hurricane conditions, we also review roof types and windstorm certification requirements. These factors help ensure your project meets regional safety standards and coastal wind design requirements. Interior planning. Then we move inside the building. We review the existing layout and any new spaces you plan to create. This includes kitchens, bathrooms, offices, storage areas, garages, and other special rooms. Your input here helps us design spaces that function exactly how you need them to. Site conditions. We also collect information about utilities and site conditions. Things like water lines, sewer systems, gas connections, and flood zones can significantly influence the design and construction process. Capturing this information early helps us prevent any surprises later. Photos and references. You will also have the opportunity to upload photos, sketches, and inspiration images. Even hand drawings are helpful. These references allow our design team to better understand your vision and the existing conditions of the property. Budget and timeline. We also ask about budget ranges and project timelines. This helps us design within realistic expectations and helps prioritize the elements that matter most for your project. Great design always balances vision, feasibility, and investment. Once the form is completed, our team reviews your information and prepares the next steps in your design process. Your answers help transform an idea into a construction plan ready for development. Thank you for taking the time to complete the ONYRverse design intake. Every detail you provide helps move your project closer to reality. Let's begin designing something great. So start your intake now and take the first step toward building your vision. And if you're going to do it, you should do it with honor.